Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving headfirst into the wild, wonderful, and sometimes bewildering world of Python data visualization libraries. It's a jungle out there, isn't it?
Absolutely. It feels like a new library pops up every week. So what's the PyViz overview all about?
PyViz acts as a helpful guide through this jungle. It's not a library itself, but a curated collection of resources, blog posts, articles, even videos, comparing and contrasting different Python visualization tools. Think of it as a meta-library for visualization libraries.
I see. So it doesn't actually do any plotting itself?
Exactly. It points you towards the right tools for the job. They cover everything, from the classic matplotlib and Seaborn, to the more interactive Plotly and Bokeh, and even specialized libraries for geospatial data or web apps.
That's incredibly useful. So what are some of the key comparisons highlighted in these overviews?
Well, there are tons. Many articles compare matplotlib's static plots against the interactive capabilities of Plotly or Bokeh. Others focus on the declarative versus imperative approaches. Altair and HoloViews being prime examples of declarative plotting, where you describe what you want to visualize rather than how to do it step by step like in matplotlib.
Ah, the declarative versus imperative debate. That's a classic. And what about the web app frameworks? I've heard a lot about Dash and Streamlit.
Oh yeah, those are huge. PyViz includes several articles comparing Streamlit, Dash, Panel, and others. They're all about building interactive web applications to display your data. But each has its own strengths and weaknesses in terms of ease of use, flexibility, and performance. Some are better for rapid prototyping, others for more complex, production-ready apps.
Right, I've heard Streamlit is great for quick prototyping, but maybe not as scalable as Dash for larger projects. So is there a best library according to PyViz?
Not really. That's the beauty and the beast of it all. The best library really depends on your specific needs and the type of visualization you're aiming for. A simple static plot might be perfectly served by matplotlib, while a complex interactive dashboard might require Dash or Panel. PyViz helps you navigate that decision-making process.
I see. So it's more of a decision-making tool than a plotting library itself. That's pretty clever.
Precisely. It's a meta-analysis of the Python visualization ecosystem, highlighting the strengths and weaknesses of various approaches and libraries. It even points out some projects that are no longer actively maintained, saving you time and frustration.
That's a really valuable service. It's easy to get lost in the sheer number of options available. Thanks for shedding some light on PyViz.
My pleasure. And remember, folks, choosing the right visualization library is half the battle. PyViz is your trusty compass in this exciting, ever-evolving landscape. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.